Hello, welcome back for a little more cause and effect. Today we are this is day 2 of cause and effect. I'm going to give you the cause and we're going to talk about the effect. This is the last mini lesson I will do with you because tomorrow you're going to be doing this on your own, so pay close attention. So our first cause says when Fiona was a few months old, they put her next to her mother or her mom and dad. So I have to figure out what happened because of that. Excuse me. So I'm going to look right here. It says Fiona began putting on 2 to 3 pounds a day and graduated 2 more pool sizes as she grew. Once she was a few months old, she began living in the area adjacent to her mother and father so the family could begin bonding. So I'm going to look up here, and it says when she was a few months old, they put her next to her mother. What was the effect? Why were they doing it? Because Fiona started to bond with her mom and dad. That's what the whole point of putting her together with them. All right, let's look at this next cause. Even though Fiona was getting bigger, she still spent most of her time with her trainers. So we have to figure out what happens because of that. Go to our next page. At this stage in her young life, Fiona still spent much of her time with her keepers and other members of Team Fiona who would swim with her, play with her to give her some exercise, feed her bottles of specially prepared formula. It was the only way to keep her healthy. So if I come back up here, even though Fiona was getting bigger, she still spent most of her time with her trainers. So what could I talk about? I could talk about, well, what happened because of that? I'm going to say her trainers kept her healthy by playing with her and feeding her. Don't you think? That's what happened. She had to still be with her trainers, so what happened because of that? Her trainers were there and kept her healthy. The team was worried about bringing Fiona and her parents together again. Yeah, can you imagine this little teeny tiny hippo you've worked with for so long? Okay, so what happened because they were worried about it? Let's find out. The team was encouraged by Fiona's progress, but at the same time, everyone was worried about the risks involving the reuniting her with Bibby and Henry. So that's what we talked about. That's the cause. People are worried. People are concerned. So let's keep reading. After all, the parents weighed over 7,000 pounds combined, and Fiona was so little. So what did they do? What did they do? Do you remember from the story? Yeah, the team made a plan to help Fiona get ready to be with her parents. I think that sounds pretty good. What do you think? Now, cause and effect. Cause and effect can be many, many different things. So I want you, as you think about this, think about what happened because of that specific event. Okay, this cause created this effect. So because we do this, this is what happens. So you have to think that through. All right, good luck. See you tomorrow.